YouTube video. I'm gonna like squeeze air horn people. First victim. Hey, don't hit me. First victim. Down. Yeah. Next victim. No lighting. Yeah. Gotta look good for spraying air horns in people's faces. I think I used something. My sister is going to be the next victim. I'm gonna just chill here in the room and I'm gonna wait for her. I should get a reaction. Hold on. Oh, that's perfect. That is perfect. Oh, she's gonna sit here and I'm gonna watch TV while I'm waiting.
There you go. Alright, Joe, did you poop in your bathroom like that? That's actually so nasty. I know it's
Oh, come here. Look, I'm recording a YouTube video. You wanna know what the YouTube video is?
Yeah.
This.
Michael.
Yeah. Air horns. So, I did it to Bubba Riley. I did it to you. Still got the adults left. Yeah, I see your face. So, I want you to walk up to the adults. No. Well, yeah, I gotta cut the camera. Alright, let's go. And that is our YouTube video for the day. Bye.